Hey there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. We're doing something a little bit different today. We're in Boulder City. We're at Lake Mead. Look at this view. Is that absolutely amazing? We're gonna spend a day here and we're gonna go do a little bit of sightseeing and we're gonna take you along for the trip. We hope you enjoy. Let's go see some stuff. So as you can see, we're now down by the water. We're on what's called Boulder Beach South. And let me tell you, coming to Lake Mead has been one of those things on my list that I've wanted to do for years. And we just had the ability to get here this year. And thank God we did, because if you look around, if you're into doing these outdoorsy things, you can see the difference in the color of the rock. The water used to be way up there. And it is just rapidly receding over the past few years. So if Lake Mead is one of those things that's on your list, I highly suggest you get here sooner than later, because it just seems that this area is returning to nature. In fact, if I scan back there, I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but there's some cars driving back there. The water used to be right where those cars were driving. That's how high the water used to be. And maybe you can see over there too, right? You can see it's hundreds of feet lower than it used to be. I mean, even there you can see some of the, I don't know, utility towers or whatever those things are, how high they were built. And now the water's so much lower. Sorry, I'm pointing wrong there. So we wanted to come here and show you, we need to show you a little tumbleweed too. We're gonna get over to the dam and show you a little bit of that as well, but we just figured we'd show you a little bit of Lake Mead. We wanted to come down here and touch the water. It's a little bit cool, but it's very refreshing. It being into November now, not necessarily prime weather, but it's not too bad. I think Miss Lisa might get in there and wait around a little bit. We'll see. Now we're a bit closer to the marina. The area that we're at right now is called Canoe Beach or Kayak Beach. For obviously reasons, this is where a lot of kayakers, paddleboarders come down to launch from. It's just a beautiful area down here. It's just a shame to see the water level dropping as much as it has. We just want to show you the beauty of Lake Mead. It's just stunning, it really is. So we're over by the marina in the Boulder Basin side, and that's where we've been at, Boulder Beach, south, the kayak beach as well. It's on the Boulder Basin side. There's the marina down there, and you can just see, look at how long this ramp is to get to the water. The water used to be right here, and so we thought this was a great look to see exactly how far down everything is now. Everything in the marina sort of just floats, and so it's able to move with the adjustments of the water. So we're gonna head down there and see if we can get a closer look for you guys.
Seymour.
We made it. One to check off the bucket list. There it is, world famous Hoover Dam. Absolutely unbelievable. Now we apologize for the noise, but as you can see, we're actually on a main highway. The lookout here is right on the highway, so it's a little bit loud, so I apologize for that. But look at the views. Look at how high we are. And if I've never mentioned to you guys before, I'm actually afraid of heights. So this is freaking me out a bit, but you know, we had to come up here. Absolutely amazing. enjoyed our little trip to Hoover Dam, we can check that off our bucket list. Been there, done that, and I got the damn t-shirt. We're all good. Again, thank you all for being part of our journey here. If you first time seeing our videos, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, become part of the Tall Man Clan. For all the Tall Man Clan, God bless you guys. Until we see you all again, be safe.